Alright, what's up? Me and Chris back with our special guest, Colby. Yeah, buddy. And
That's going backwards.
we are going to rock it out.
Continuing our Adele hits tonight.
Woo!
It's an Adele night.
It's an Adele night, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Boys night out. Adele. We're going to do, what is it? Set fire to rain?
Yeah.
Set some fire, baby, to the rain.
Set fire to rain. Here we go.
I let it fall. Young Weezy, baby. Tyler Gang, YMC and me.
Little shake.
I let it fall. My heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands feel strong, but my knees were far too weak. I stayed in your arms without falling to your knees.
I don't know why she
There's a
did.
side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you play. You will
Colby, take it away.
Here we go, baby.
I set fire to the rain, watch it burn and I'll touch your face. And it burns when I cry 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. Your name. With you I could stay there, close my eyes and you hear. Forever, you and me together, nothing is better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you play. They will always win. Here we go! Fire to the rain, watch it burn and I'll touch your face. Let it burn while I cry 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. Your name. Fire to the rain, and the fears into the face. Let it feel something right 'cause I knew that it was the last time. The last time. Sometimes I wake up by the door. That heart you call must be waiting for you. Even though it's already over, I can't help myself from looking for you. I said, shout out to the rain, watch it burn, touch your face. Let it burn while I cry 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Army baby, woo! To the rain, and the fears into the face.
There you have it, guys. There you have it. A little Adele setting fire to rain.
We'll probably have a few more good songs tonight, don't
Hey,
ya?
George Strait's coming up next.
George Strait!